All right, so if you guys know me or if you've been with the channel long enough, you guys already know that I am super picky with accessories, especially cases and screen protectors for my iPhone. I don't know what it is, but ever since my first iPhone, the iPhone 4, well, I don't even know how long ago that was, like a decade ago or something like that, I've always just been super picky about the accessories that I pick on my phone. And so picking a case or a screen protector is super hard for me personally. But I recently went to the Apple store and I kind of noticed something that has changed with displays. A new screen texture, a new screen anti-glare texture. And so I saw that on the iPad, the Studio display, and I think one more device. And that was my first time messing with that kind of display, and it really reminds me of a matte screen protector or anti-glare screen protector that I used to use back in the day. And so yeah, I wanted to try this feeling again because I do remember this feeling, it being super satisfying to use and navigate on my phone, and the texture, and there was like pretty much no fingerprints, and I just loved that feeling. And especially going to the Apple store, seeing all the anti-glare displays, I was like, okay, it is time for me to try this again. So I got a matte screen protector for my iPhone 16 Pro, my daily driver, and let me just tell you guys, it's amazing. So adding this anti-glare screen protector on my phone, navigating it, using it is just super just satisfying to use. It makes me want to go on my phone more, which is probably not a good thing, but it's just like navigating, swiping, especially swiping, just feels so much better than a glossy screen protector because you have a different kind of feeling on a gloss screen protector versus a matte screen protector versus no screen protector at all. So that is something that is just probably my favorite thing about a matte screen protector, is that just navigating through it is just super satisfying. I can't even go to the Apple store and try an anti-glare iPad, and that's exactly how it feels with this screen protector right here. The next thing is the anti-glare feature. Now, this screen protector is for anti-glare purposes, like pretty much knocks out 50% of the glare, which honestly, if you're using your phone outside a lot, that is super helpful, that it reduces the glare. And then the fingerprints. So as you guys probably know, if you turn off your phone right now, watch us continue this video, but if you turn off your display, you're gonna notice that your screen is just covered with fingerprints. And that could either be if you have no screen protector or a gloss screen protector. You're gonna have so many fingerprints on your phone, and it's gonna look gross, and it's gonna look smudgy, and just does not look good. But with a matte screen protector, this one specifically, it pretty much reduces 50% fingerprints, and you don't really see any fingerprints on a day-to-day basis, which I really do like because, again, it makes my phone feel super satisfying and super, honestly, clean. Even though it's not any cleaner, it just looks like, you know, there's just less fingerprints on the display, which there is less fingerprints because of the matte texture, the anti-glare texture, and that's something that I really do like as well. That's probably my second favorite feature about the screen protector, is that there's pretty much no fingerprints while using a matte screen protector, which I really do like. The next thing I want to talk about is the coverage. Now, this is a tempered glass screen protector, so it does cover the entire display on your phone. So basically your screen is going to be 100% protected, which is a plus because I'm not really using this for protection. I'm using it mainly for like the texture and how that feels and navigate through my phone, but adding that extra protection on the screen is very helpful. And as you guys can see near the dynamic island, it is completely covered. This is a gloss portion. That's mainly because of the sensors and cameras. If those were matted as well, obviously they wouldn't work like they were supposed to because it's a different kind of texture, different kind of visibility through using the screen protector. So I really do like that they added a kind of gloss portion around the dynamic island. So basically it doesn't interfere with your cameras or anything like that, which obviously that is very important. All right guys, and next is the visibility. Now, this is kind of the only con about the screen protector, is the visibility. It is not as clear as a gloss screen protector or a no screen protector at all. Obviously, no screen protector, you're not gonna have any visibility issues because there's no screen protector. But if you have like a gloss screen protector, it's gonna be a little bit better visibility and clarity versus a matte screen protector. That is something that I just wanted to say really quick, is that the visibility isn't as good, the clarity isn't as good as if you had like a gloss screen protector or a no screen protector at all. But yeah guys, overall, this does bring me back to my iPhone 4 days, iPhone 5 days, because that is when I experimented with like a bunch of accessories to figure out what I liked. And I realized that I haven't tried that in a super long time. So I'm really glad that I tried these screen protectors out. If you guys are interested and check them out as well, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Or if you kind of want to see what it's like, you can always go to an Apple store, look at their anti-glare displays, and that's pretty much what you're gonna feel and see while using this kind of screen protector. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can check them out. Again, super satisfying. If you want a satisfying screen experience, satisfying iPhone experience, I would try it out and see how it feels.